Hey guys, got a 2020 plate Kia Niro here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic emergency brake on this one. So on this one, we're going to use the controls on the right hand side of the steering wheel and then the screen on the dash in front of us. So first, I'm going to press the menu button on the steering wheel. Keep pressing until you get to user settings. Then clicking OK on driver assistance. Then scroll down until you get to forward safety. And clicking OK. So now you have different settings here. You have active assist, so when a car is coming close to you, when you're coming close to a car from behind, you can press it on and then it will brake for you. Or you can have warning only, so it'll notify you with a sound. It'll beep at you, say there's a car there, but it won't brake for you. Or you can just turn it off altogether. So once you select what you want, press OK, and then press back, and that's saved.